I love this opportunity to come together with other women and really just focus on myself in a really safe and supported environment. And when I do get back home after being part of a Dwell in Possibilities experience, I know that I'm better.
The atmosphere of Tuscany is just incredible. I couldn't imagine this place without actually experiencing it. It is just so beautiful. Movement, to me, creates an opportunity that when I don't have the words for something, a way of expressing myself and opening up to those around me and making me a better person the next day